How to embed Shopify products to any other site. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so, the updated method. So it's going to be very easy, and this is just going to help us promote our products on different blogs or sites and whatever. So to get started, you just want to log into your Shopify admin, and then you just want to go to apps, go to all recommended apps, and we basically just wanted to head on over to Shopify App Store. Now, once we're in our Shopify App Store, you just want to go ahead and search for Buy Button channel. So just go ahead and search for that, and you should find an application by Shopify themselves, which is Buy Button channel. So just go ahead and click on that one, and then you can just go ahead and click on Install. And this is pretty much, is going to allow us to promote our products on different sites and stuff, as you can see, and be able to actually embed it. So here's the thing, you just want to go ahead and install it, and once you do that, you'll be able to just go ahead and create your Buy Button real quick. So I'm just going to exit out of this page, and once you open up your app, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on Create a Buy Button, and then you would want to select Product Buy Button because this video is about how to embed a product to a different site. So I'm just going to click on Product Buy Button, but you can also, do it for a collection if you want to. Click on the one that you want, in our case is product, and then just go ahead and select the product that you want. And in this case, I'm just going to select that one and click on Select. And then in here, you can actually see how it's actually going to look like. You can try to change the design aspect for it. You can design a lot of different stuff. For example, the button itself, the color for the actual button, and all of these things you can feel free to design to your liking. So just take your time and design it however you like. And also the button text here, you can also change the font for it and everything. And there's a lot to work with when it comes to the layout and stuff. So just go ahead and basically take your time with it. See the design that you actually like the most and click on Next once you're happy with it. And then once that's done, all you need to just go ahead and copy this code, and you're pretty much good to go. So you can actually just go ahead and paste this, and you will be able to just embed it to any other site that you want. So I'm just going to show you on Google Sites real quick because that's the one I'm just going to go for. But you can again do it for any other site that you want. Okay, so this is my Google Sites. It's just, another test site for me. But obviously, again, like I said, this is going to work for any other site as well. In this case, I'm just going to go for the embed code, and you would want to paste that in and click on Next. And you should find the same design here. So I'm just going to click on Insert, and we can actually see we have the product from our Shopify store embedded to our Google Sites or any other site really that you have. And this way you can just feel free to promote it however you like, move it around. Obviously it's a little bit clunky here, but you get the idea. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.